CastDesigner is an upfront design and analysis system for casting process. So far, CastDesigner is the sole product in the market today to combine expert system and CAE technology together, and special design for mold planning and casting industrial. CastDesigner integrated high-end CAD technology, expert system, and last CAE technology together. It is a tailor-designed mold planning and simulation system for die casting industry. The promise we provided to industrial is, CastDesigner can make a gatting system design in 30 minutes and validate a design solution in last CAE technology in 1 hour. Moreover, with CastDesigner, the designers and engineers can compare 4 to 5 solutions to get the best plan in 1 working day only. It is well known, the gatting system is so important for casting mold and casting production, that any designer should pay lots of time and work on it. However, due to the development speed of new product is so fast, in today's model industrial, time to market is always the major issue, whatever product development or mold development. CastDesigner has summarized half-century knowledge and experience of die casting, and provided complete guideline to help designer. The Gatting System Advisor is one of the most useful wizards in CastDesigner. With such advisor, the designer can get the filling time and inner gate section area based on the casting weight or volume and feature thickness of casting part. Then the user can adjust the numbers and section area of gate runner, runner and sprue runner. The one-button gatting system design makes the things much easy and faster. The designer can put all the concern on the design matters, not on the CAD drawing. In this example, for a casting oil panel, after the user input the casting weight and thickness, the system will calculate out the optimized filling time and inner gate section area. Also, the system can help select the casting machine. Casting zone is also a nickel function of CastDesigner for multiple inner gates to balance the metal flow. For gate runner and runner design, many industrial styles, such as straight-sided runner, curved-sided runner and tangential gate runner, were predefined in CastDesigner system. It is full parameters control and easy to set up. The sprue runner is the linker of casting machine and mold cavity. CastDesigner can support both cold chamber machine and hot chamber machine. Design overflow system is quite simple in CastDesigner. Both standard overflow and non-standard overflow are supported. All data of overflow could be saved to user template and used in the next time. The cooling channel and venting channel design is also supported by CastDesigner. Now, we make a summarize of casting system design. CastDesigner provides a streamlined design capability, from part analysis, draft design to inner gate design, gate runner and runner design, then sprue runner design to overflow system, cooling system and venting system design. The whole process could be completed from 10 minutes to half hour. Now, we come to the second topic: how can we validate the design solution? So far, CPI is the sole really practical method on the marketing today to support die casting design, because the high-end technology to reduce modeling time and simulation time to a very reasonable time frame, for example, half hour to 1/2 hour. We provide very detailed result for the metal filling process, such as metal flow, air entrapment, velocity, vector and pressure. We also provide a detailed result for solidification process, included temperature distribution, cooling rate, liquid or solid fraction, and shrinkage porosity. This is an industrial example. We designed the first casting system, included gatting and overflow, in 30 minutes. This is mainly based on our knowledge and experience. After that, we perform a CPI analysis. It is clear there are some problems existed on this design, such as the left and right inner gate with air entrapment. Also, the overflow is unreasonable. So, we made a modification as the simulation result. It was only taken 15 minutes. Then the second CPI analysis is performed. We rerun it in another 1 hour. The result still needs some improvement, but CastDesigner provides a very easy way. Finally, we make the casting system as displayed. CastDesign CPI also has mechanical stress analysis capability. It can help understand the distortion of the casting process. It is very useful for the high accuracy part, very thin part and complex process. Let's look another actual example. The part was made by aluminum of cold chamber die casting. The main defects of the part were the flow mark and porosity which caused by the air entrapment. There are two places with big problems. CPI simulation can help predict such problems. It is clear, the air entrapment was caused by the unbalanced metal flow. It mainly depends on the gating system. Also, the overflow system was not designed well. Simulation always provides rich information for engineer to check the real situation for find a good solution. The metal flow process, both hot metal and air, can be predicted very well. The advance of CastDesigner is the system is not only help you find the problems, but provide you many tools and method to solve such problems. For this case, the gating system design advisor, one-button design, advanced runner design, sprue runner design and checking, can guide the user to make a better casting system. After that, a new gating system was developed out. Also, we can validate it in CastDesigner CPI. Now, the metal flow is much balanced and it can eliminate the gas entrapment problem. A comparison of both the design is very clear, the right one is much better. CastDesigner offers a very effective method for design engineers to solve their problem in early stage. As a new generation casting design and analysis solution, CastDesigner is widely used for industrial now. With more and more users select CastDesigner, CastDesigner already supports enterprises to redefine the competitive success. More and more success stories of CastDesigner have been published by our customer. The application field of CastDesigner is not only big companies, but also middle and small size companies. In one word, CastDesigner is useful, faster, easy to use, also reasonable price. Everybody can use it. We have more than hundreds examples, which made by CastDesigner, includes automotive parts, machinery parts, consumer parts, white electronic application parts and 3C product parts. We also validate it in CastDesigner CPI. The feedback of customer was so positive and excited. It is our pleasure. If CastDesigner can help you to improve your work, please do not hesitate to contact us.